Salamat sa ating unang itong panahon ng Adbyento at sinindihan natin yung kandila ng pag-asa, no? The first candle of hope. We will talk about that in a short while. No? We hear the beautiful story of the centurion, the faith of the centurion. Isa siyang pagano no? Isang pagano na banyaga sa bayan ng Jerusalem, no? Kaya parang kaiba yung sitwasyon, no? But you see what kind of a person this centurion is. You can see more or less how his authority, he is full of authority, pero very, very humble. How he uses the authority properly. So there are many things we will learn from the centurion, no? We learn how he, even if he's a pagan, a non-believer, but because he wanted to help, no, he wanted to intercede. The word is intercession, no? Tinulungan niya ang isang alipin, no? Ang mga alipin nung panahon ni Jesus, pag sinabing alipin, talagang pinakamababa, no? Talagang parang hayop ang trato sa alipin, walang karapatan, no? Imagine, no? That's how lowly the servants were during the time of Jesus. Baliwala. Pero we'll see kung paano namagitan itong centurion. Century, di ba? The word century, 100. He has 100 people under him. So he is a very influential, powerful man to have 100 people under him. Very well respected, a person with position. Pero namagitan siya sa kanyang alipin. No? So you will see, no? Even if he's just an unbeliever, he's a pagan, still, no, tumulong siya. No? At wala yung bias niya dyan. Ano? Ganyan rin si Jesus, handang tumulong kahit kanino. Walang bias, no? Porket hindi ka naman naniniwala, no? Porket Romano ka, no? Porket ikaw ay officer, ito, tinutulungan mo ang alipin. Hindi naging hadlang para tumulong si Jesus. So tayo, we can learn from this by our acts of intercession. No? We intercede for the other. The importance of intercessory prayers. Huwag natin baliwalain yung ating mga panalangin para sa iba. We trust. Unti-unti, huwag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa. May pag-asa sa mga pagsusubok na yan, no? Especially as we pray for one another. Parang wala naman nangyayari sa panalangin eh. Parang pag tumatangkad tayo, no? Hindi man natin napapansin, no? Unti-unti, no? Lumalago tayo sa ating pananampalataya, sa ating physical situation. Hindi natin napapansin, but we trust. May pag-asa, nagbabago yan. May pag-asa in this season of hope. In this Advent season, in the first week, let us focus on hope. Merong pag-asa. Huwag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa. Our intercessory prayers will help. Believe, no? Believe in the power of God, the power of intercessory prayers. So intercessory, giving us hope. And also our biases maybe help us, no? Tumulong tayo kahit kanino, kahit na mataas, kahit na mababa, kahit na sino, bigyan natin ng tulong katulad ng ginawa ni Jesus. Walang pinipili dahil sa kanyang pagmamahal para sa atin. We thank God for this season of Advent still, no? We praise and thank Him for this opportunity to give each other hope during these times when we are down, no? Nahihirapan, umasa tayo, meron at merong magbabago dahil sa pagmamahal ng Diyos.